This is eaten. I like it. I like it a lot. It looks super pretty. So today we're going to do a full face of drugstore makeup. I want to show you guys how simple it is to achieve a flawless look, and you don't have to use these expensive products to go ahead and get this flawless look. So we're going to go ahead and get started so I can show you how to get a flawless beat even with drugstore makeup. There we go. So for primer, I'm going to use my e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. You can easily get this from any, drugstore, Target, Walgreens, CVS. You can get this anywhere. So I'm going to go ahead and use that for my primer today. I really like this primer. At first, when I got this product, I honestly did not know how to use it. I'm not even going to lie. Like, I would see all the videos and the reviews about it, and I'd be like, it's not sticky for me. I don't know. But I like it now that I know how to use it. So we're just going to make sure that's all over the face. There we go. Okay, so my face is ready. It's primed. It's looking all shiny and glistening, which I love. I'm going to take my color corrector that I have from NYX. I'm going to take that, and then I'm going to put that under my under eye. Yeah, thanks. Just I'm going to take my brush and I'm going to blend this out. I really feel like my dark circles under my eyes are really bad. So I love this NYX corrector. Now, depending on what type of skin shade you have, it depends on what type of color corrector you should use. So I would just do research on depending on the type of skin tone you have. For dark skin girlies like me, the peach color corrector, or like more like an orange peach color corrector, works really well for our skin, and it blends out really well, and it makes these dark spots disappear. So we're just going to make sure that's blended into our under eye really well. Like that went really well. See? I'm going to take the OG, my Maybelline. I'm using the shade 360, and we're going to put that all over my face. I don't want that much foundation, so I'm going to go ahead and put the foundation on the back of my hand. Just look at my skin, how luminous it looks right now. I'm in love already. Foundation, no foundation. All right, that looks beautiful. I'm going to use the NYX concealer. I'm using the shade Cappuccino for my first layer, my under eye. There we go, much better. All right. Love it. Sugar honey iced tea. It's okay. Normally I let my concealer sit, but since I already started touching it, I'm just going to go ahead and just blend it out. And that's okay because I honestly want to do another coat of concealer today. So just to get a more bright under eye match, bringing that to our temple, bringing this into the nose. We're gonna also take the concealer called Mahogany in NYX. It's a one like it's like one lighter shade than the first concealer I put down because I just want to just brighten just a little bit more, just right there. And we're gonna let that sit. I'm gonna contour with Elf, and I'm gonna do a couple dots on the cheek, forehead. I like that. More of like a warm, maybe cool neutral. I don't know. I like that. Can you see it? I like it. It's given really like bronze. That's really what it's given. I like it. Mm. Oh, I like this. Why haven't I never used this for contour? Ooh. I've been forgetting to contour my nose lately. I don't know why. I'm gonna do two light dots. Just two light dots. Oh, and I wanna bring it up here. Get it together. Ooh, I like this. You see, like you don't need to spend a lot of money to get a full beat face or your makeup to look bomb. You really don't. Like, yes, it's good to go ahead and invest in, the high-end makeup brands because some of their products are good, but honestly, some of their products are trash. It is what it is, and it's just a name on it, and it's just price high, so you're gonna think that it's good quality, but it's really not. It's really not. And the way this contour just snaps my nose, honey, snatched it all the way. All the way. Look at that. So we're done with our contour. We're going to go ahead and blend back in the concealer in our under eye. A little bit brighter because we want that to be a little bit brighter. And I'm just going to bring it up, tap it into my nose to snatch that contour. In this second concealer, we're not going to take out all the way. We're just going to try to keep it, maintain it under our eye because we just want that part to be a little bit brighter. Oh, beautiful. Gorgeous. Look at his face. Make sure that's blended. So you're going to use some blush by e.l.f. We're going to go a little crazy today. We're going to do two dots because I really want some blush. I want my blush to pop today. We're going to just blend our life away on this cheek area. I really want my blush to pop. And I'm going to bring this into my eyes because I love the way that looks. That beautiful, just beautiful. We're gonna set our makeup with the Maybelline Fit Me setting powder. I like this one. I like this one. So we're gonna go ahead and dip our beauty a powder puff in, and I'm gonna take some excess powder off, put it on my back of my hand. We're gonna set this face. Beautiful. Look at that. Oh, that's blurred, blurred out. I'm gonna take my pressed powder from Black Radiance in the shade Mahogany. Take my fluffy brush and we're gonna basically go over the setting powder that we just did because we don't want no harsh lines. You know, we're just gonna blend that all in with this. It's gonna bring our color back. You're looking very airbrushed. I love it. I love it. NYX setting spray. I've always liked this NYX setting spray. I think it's so good. All right, I'm super happy about this. Like, y'all, we look flawless. We look beat. We look like everything right now. Okay, so for my highlighter, I'm gonna use the Makeup Revolution highlighter. You can find this anywhere. Once again, this is all drugstore products. And I'm gonna take my fan brush and we're gonna apply this to the cheeks, honey. I love this highlighter. I feel like it just gives sun kiss. Like, oh, look at that. Look. And I'm gonna use the NYX, the brow glue. NYX also has lots of eyebrow pencils. Maybelline has eyebrow pencils. Like, there's so many eyebrow pencils that you can get. And it just depends on you and you know what you prefer. I like this one because I don't do much with my brows. I just like to slick them up, get them to like look like they're staying in one place. And that's why I like this. I'm gonna give them that look like they're combed up and they're in one place. There we go. Look at that. Brow. No brow done. Brow that's done. Brow that's not done. It's given. It's given. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and do the lip, the last part of the look. And for my lip, I'm using NYX lip liner in the color Club Hopper. I recently got this and I like it. I also have other NYX liner, but I like this one. This is almost like a brownish red, and I like it a lot. I also have like their true brown liner, but like this one I think is really pretty. Gorgeous. Just gorgeous.